check out. And all the other checks we gotta go through. And we're hopefully on our way to Puerto Rico. Hi, Macha. Hey, guys. Oh, I'm sorry. Papá, que es bien chulito el nene. Trae las cosas y no las carga.
Did you bring the charger for this?
I did. I brought all the chargers we need. You got it, Macha? Oh, there you go. Okay, guys, we're all sitting. And Gloria's she's recording, and Machita's over here doing her thing.
On your right hand side.
Hey guys,
on your
we
left.
made it on our flight.
We'll be off the gate just as soon as everyone is seated and
Kind of
settled.
crazy here.
But
we are on our way to Puerto Rico to begin our vacation.
Like, this is our first time.
Yep, first time on the airplane. All this time I've been talking to myself. Yeah, you're right. Jesus, sunshine, you drank it all and I wanted some too. Well, everybody on the plane wants to know when we're gonna get there, where we're going, and how much longer. This is what it is. Dunkin' Donuts above the plane. Okay, so we started in Boston, right there. Yeah. Alright, we started in Boston. Oh, guys, I messed up. Let's get this back in. What am I driving? I'm flying the plane now. Look at this. Yep, I've lost it. Did you hear me? Now I think I'm flying the plane. Figure this out together. Alright, so now we're back. We have 43 more minutes to go. Let's go to live map. Maybe, oh, it's not here. 3D maps. Alright, here we go again. Okay, now we can look at, hold on, want to see the brightness? All we're going to be able to see is brightness. Brightness. Oh, look how nice that is. kill this name. Anguilla, I don't know, something like that. Venezuela's all the way over here. Colombia, Panama, Ecuador, Peru, Lima, Bolivia, Paraguay, Argentina, Uruguay, Chile. And then we're at the sea. In the same TV screen?
No, it's mine.
Are you serious?
Yeah, we're just playing against each other.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, guys, back to my solitaire. I have 43 more minutes to go. Yeah, guys, we made it to Puerto Rico. This is a bunch of gringos. You can tell we're not from here.
We're here. I'm a Puerto Rico.
Okay, you're a gringo. No. Hey guys, we made it to our home almost. We had to send the kids to get the keys so we can get in through the gate. But yeah, this is where we are. Look at Adriana. Adrian left to get the keys. And Barnacle's over here. Barnacles over here was I guess he was a little frustrated with everything going on so far since we've been here, so he had to express his feelings. We had the one and only problem getting a rental car. I was ready to hop back on that airplane and go back to Massachusetts. Get my car, because yeah, I have a car in Massachusetts. But yeah, we made it, and we are waiting here to go into the house, and I'm going to give you a house tour as soon as we get there. Mommy.
Barnacles.
Barnacles. Peace out. We are walking to the beach. Yeah.
Illegal things. For the 10 días, $1,000 algo. That's a lot of money.
Yep.
The ladies and the mom. Look at sunset.
You guys want to go all the way up?
Yeah. Él dijo que él tenía en la casa.
Oh, sí, yo vi un juguete aquí en el cuarto de ellos.
Ay, oh my God, look at the sunset.
Oh my God, it's so
I love it. The air feels amazing. We are at the beach. The kids are swimming. Well, they're not swimming. They're more like in a circle, socializing. But this water is so warm, unlike New England. Gloria! Are you okay before you bust your butt? No, I'll call her when I get back. Oh no, I called her in the car when we were going to Popeyes. Espérate. Hey guys, we're at the house. I haven't done a house tour yet, but I will do it tomorrow. Adrian is not feeling too well. He's actually sleeping. Let me see if I can turn this around and you can see. Sorry for the mess, but I haven't unpacked or anything. He's sleeping. He has been throwing up. I know he had been complaining about stomach aches and headaches. I think it was the whole plane ride and the pressure in the ears, and maybe that's upsetting his stomach. This was the first time he and his sister were on a plane ride. And Adriana was not having it either. She started crying because she had, she's actually coming in now. Where is she? Right there. She had pain in her ears, but after that, everything has been well. And I really like for them to enjoy it because I am Puerto Rican, so they're half Puerto Rican. Their father is Jamaican. No, he hasn't. No, she hasn't. Oh, that's what you're doing? I thought you were in the bathroom. Okay. What about the boys? What are they doing?
Well, Tristan's out and down, and we'll just sit and watch.
So yeah, that is, what was I saying? Sorry. I got totally sidetracked by my daughter. So, what was I saying is that I am Puerto Rican, even though I was born in the United States. My parents are both from Puerto Rico. And Adrian is half Jamaican also. His father's from Jamaica. So I want him to come and see the island and like it, of course. My other two sons had already been here before. And this is going to be their second time here in Puerto Rico. And I'm hoping I'm able to take them also to Jamaica because that's, you know, part of their family culture. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here and give you an update. Let me see if I can get Adrian on. He's sleeping on the bed right there. He's not doing too well with the throwing up and the headaches, and I'm gonna keep an eye on him and see how it goes, and hopefully we can continue our trip. Thank you. See you later, guys. Johnny, va a dejar por ahorita. Guys, we are at Walmart in Puerto Rico, and we're going to the second floor on an escalator. Magnet, look at it. Look at no hand. Can you believe this? They're magnetic. We're going on an escalator in Walmart with the cart to the second floor. Hey, look at no hand. Only in Puerto Rico.
In Puerto Rico, and we got to have a
See? I just don't like escalators, period. We made it. What?
These ones are better.
And this, guys, is the go back. No, these are the most uncomfortable escalators ever at Walmart. And they still do layaway here.
Welcome back. The last time you saw us, we were inside of the car driving past this place. I don't know if that was caught on camera though. Now we're outside of the car walking to the place.
Yes, look at the dogs. If it starts pouring, we are out.
There ain't none over here. Especially if we're caught over there while it's pouring. There ain't no cover over there. It's gonna be a redo of the other over here, that thing, that mountain, waterfall thing.
But this is worse because that time we had trees and stuff to cover us. This is.
No, I'm wearing the exact same shoes.
They got kites.
I think the next one I'm trying to get is like the same shoes like these, but like that aren't suede.
We made it this far. Now we're waiting for Gloria. There is a cemetery down there. See? Cemetery.
Cemetrio.
We're about to walk to a kiosquito right here. And this is where we buy piraguas and refreshments. I want a soda. What do you guys want? Beautiful. It's so nice here. We're sitting down eating our little sherbet ice cream.
It's amazing.
And then we got these two plastas and the other plasta down there. And Gloria is MIA. We're about to put a bolo out for her because I don't know where she went.
Okay, switching the angle. Oh my god. Can you believe this? What is going on, man? I don't understand. Look at that. Look at those. Look at him. What's going on?
Actually, no, I'm not doing that.
Oh my god. Ah, chicken. Oh boy. Look at this. Oh no, look at that. 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 What's that? What's that thing? That's something about domino?
I'm turning red.
No, that's his portfolio. Oh, street down that way. No, we're going this way. Oh, we're going down. Check him out. Who we got in the game? We got Boo. We got Boo. We got Boo. We got Boo.
Got the shy boy here.
We got Boo. Hello, sir.
Is this who was waiting for?
This person's facing the wrong way.
These streets are small as hell and they want to park.
Shut your mouth. Shut your freaking mouth. Shut up. Shut your face. Shut up. Shut your mouth. Yeah. Can you stop complaining? Shut up. Shut up. Freaking chill. Boy, shut up. Hey, look at pear. Oh my god, look. It's a pear. Wait, it's
rainbow.
a pear. Rainbow.
Rainbow right there.
Let's go to Rainbow.
No.
Mom, that's a grocery store.
Where? Where are you?
It's at Gucci.
Yes.
It did.
I saw
Is
the,
it?
I saw the double G.
So the double G.
Look at that. We can afford it. It's
Yes.
all the way.
You're the hat. Red fucking skyline. Ah.
Woo.
You guys are cool.
I don't know where we are.
We're here. They're there.
Mom.
Where?
Inside the camera.
There?
They're there. We're here.
Wow, look at flowers.
Look at weird sombreros.
Whoa! I'm gonna give you one of these days. I promise you. I'm gonna dry my window off. I'm gonna put it down real quick. And put myself. That didn't help at all. That didn't help either. What's that way go? Ooh. Oh, here we go, shaking again. Oh god. Oh no. Oh my god. No one knows this. I can't record when I'm just doing this all the time. Oh my god. Oh!
Chum, please stop.
Shut up. Shut up. Shut your mouth. You don't want to talk? Shut up. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth.
Jamie and Kyrie
Shut your mouth.
DJ and Nova.
Hey guys, we are here at Denny's. Yeah, we're spying on whatever Adrian and Nathan are doing. That face. Yeah.
Wait, what's this you got on your phone? What's that?
What's it's a magnet?
Oh.
Boo, are you sleeping over there? Cause from over, yeah, he does that a lot. From over here, it looks like you're having a barnacle type of day.
That's them. Barnacles.
Right there, where is it? Right there.
Now everybody wants to go.
Mira, Gloria, bien teenager la nena. ¿La what? She wants to go deep, deep, deep. Is she crazy or what?
agua salada en la boca.
That's a banana bowl. I was trying to get close so you can see, but that's as close as this. And Adrian is still upset. Wow. Because he got water on his lips. Salt water. Machita is coming with water. And there's Victoria, the swimming human fish. What are you doing? Oh boy. What are you doing, Papa? What are you doing? Adrian is burying his mother's feet. Hey, David. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed. We had a lot of fun on our vacation. Don't forget to come check us out for part 2, where we take you along for more of our family adventure.